So if you're looking for the most amount of off-road traction for the least amount of money, then the Mudclaw Extreme MT might just be the tire for you. Now the Extreme MT here will combine that aggressive mud terrain tread design with a thick 3-ply sidewall, giving this thing an edge over the standard Mudclaw MT along with other similar 2-ply tires in the category. Now this thing will be available in sizes to fit a 17, 19, and 20-inch wheel, with tire heights ranging from 31 to 35 inches overall. Now obviously guys, your pricing will vary depending on your size, but expect to spend between $150 and $220 per tire, again making this option one of the most affordable within the category. So on the surface, the Mudclaw brand might not be as recognizable as some of your other big names in the category, but that doesn't mean this tire isn't going to be built well and without knowledge. In fact, Mudclaw is actually made by Cooper Tires as an entry-level or affordable option in the realm of MT tires, which, let's be honest here guys, can get very pricey very quick with other big name brands in the category. Now on the site, Mudclaw is going to offer two versions of their mud terrain tire, the standard MT and then the Extreme, which we are talking about here today. And on the surface, both will appear practically identical when it comes to general construction and tread design. However, the difference lies beneath the surface, as the Extreme here is going to feature that thicker 3-ply sidewall when compared to the 2-ply of your standard Mudclaw. So with that in mind, guys who do a bunch of off-roading and might be worried about catching a rock or obstacle on the trail might want to lean a little bit more towards the thicker sidewall, as that's where a majority of your failures occur while off-road. Now on the other hand, if you spend most of your time on the road with the occasional off-road trip mixed in for good measure, you might want to save a few bucks and a couple of pounds by sticking with the standard MT from Mudclaw. Either way guys, again, both options are going to be far more affordable when compared to some of your other bigger names on the site. Now as far as tread design is concerned, well, let's spin this big guy around here. We'll show you guys what we're talking about, and make no mistake about it, this is all mud tire, right? Huge tread void or space between the blocks themselves, allowing this tire to self-clean when spinning in the dirt or mud, maintaining that traction through the deep stuff. Now, the large tread lugs do feature a decent amount of siping, helping with wet traction, in addition to the heavy silica compound with the tire itself. And those lugs have also been staggered to help increase your traction off-road overall, especially when aired down a little bit. Now here on the site, we will state that the Mudclaw Extreme MT does offer a comfortable ride in addition to relatively low road noise, but come on guys, if you know mud tires, then you know you're not buying something like this to deliver a quiet ride, you are buying them for traction. And yes, even though Mudclaw does do a good job of kind of keeping those center blocks a little closer together, you can still expect some road noise here when checking out this tire. It's kind of the give and take when looking for a tire that will deliver that kind of performance off-road. But either way guys, wrapping this one up, the Mudclaw Extreme MT might just be one of your best values on the site when shopping for an aggressive mud terrain tire like this. And as always, you can grab yours right here at AmericanTrucks.com.